Good evening, everybody. We're here to bring you some fireworks. Should be in about 10-15 minutes-ish when it gets a little darker here. We're bringing you
8:54.
8:54 from the time clock over here. So we're going to bring you some fireworks. Just a quick intro little video. We're here in Wisconsin. We're going to be over the lake, so it'll be a pretty nice sight.
That's where
Yeah,
they
we
always
have a little. They always have their fireworks the Saturday before the 4th. So if the 4th falls on a Saturday, would it be the Saturday before the 4th still? I don't know. But anyways, in about, like I said, 10-15 minutes, I'd like to go live, but I can't because my phone doesn't do it. It doesn't support it. So
I don't know if mine will
when
work.
we get a better video camera, we'll be able to do a lot more. So.
Yeah, like flip it over, not just
And
like
not be a
pause
dummy
the
going,
video.
I can't get it, where's the button? So we'll see you in a bit.